नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। व्योम संस्कृत पाठशालायाः कौशल संवर्धनं संस्कृत व्याकरणं निबन्धलेखनं च इत्यस्य प्रक्रमस्य धातुरूप सम्बद्धेषु दृश्यांशेषु अयं द्वितीयः दृश्यांशः। अद्य वयं लट् लकारे षष्ठगणस्य तथा दशमगणस्य धातूनां रूपाणि कथं भवन्ति, तत्र सामान्यनियमाः के भवन्ति इति पश्यामः। गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। गतदृश्यांशे वयं लट्लकारे प्रत्ययाः कथं भवन्ति परस्मैपदे आत्मनेपदे इति दृष्टवन्तः। ति तः अन्ति, सि थः थ, मि वह मह इति परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः, ते इते अन्ते, से इथे द्वे, ए वहे महे इति आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययाः भवन्ति। प्रथमः भ्वादिगणः, तत्र धातोः शप् प्रत्ययः विकरणप्रत्ययः भवति। पठ अ पठ इति अनेन सह प्रत्ययानां योजनं क्रियते। पठति पठतः, पठ अन्ति पठन्ति इत्यत्र पररूपं भवति। पठसि पठथः पठथ, पठामि पठावः पठामः उत्तमपुरुषे अकारस्य दीर्घः भवति। एवं यदा आत्मनेपदी धातुः भवति, वन्द् अ वन्द, वन्दते वन्देते इत्यत्र गुणः, वन्द अन्ते वन्दन्ते इत्यत्र पररूपं, वन्दसे वन्देथे वन्दध्वे, वन्दे वन्द ए वन्दे अत्रापि पररूपं भवति। वन्दावहे वन्दामहे इत्यत्र दीर्घः। धातुः उभयपदी अस्ति चेत् परस्मैपदप्रत्ययाः अपि भवन्ति, आत्मनेपदप्रत्ययाः अपि भवन्ति। तत्र प्रथमगणे यदा वयं धातोः विकरणप्रत्ययं योजयामः तत्र केचन नियमाः भवन्ति। गुणः भवति धातोः। यदि धातोः अन्ते इक् वर्णः इत्युक्ते इकारः उकारः ऋकारो वा अस्ति चेत् गुणः भवति। यथा भू इत्यस्ति, गुणः चेत् भो, अनन्तरम् अवादेशः अपि भवति, अतः भव भव अभव, भवति भवतः भवन्ति। एवमेव जि धातुः अस्ति चेत् जे जय, जयति जयतः जयन्ति। हृ धातुः अस्ति चेत् ऋकारस्य गुणः अर् इति भवति, अतः हरति हरतः हरन्ति इति भवति। उपधायां ह्रस्व इग्वर्णः इ उ ऋ अस्ति चेदपि गुणः भवति। यथा मुद् इत्यस्ति चेत् मोद्, मोदते मोदेते मोदन्ते इति भवति। एवमेव वृत् इत्यस्ति चेत् वर्तते वर्तेते वर्तन्ते। अतः गुणः इति प्रथमगणस्य मुख्यः अंशः भवति। केषाञ्चन धातूनाम् आदेशः भवति। यथा दृश् इत्यस्य स्थाने पश्य इति भवति, पश्यति पश्यतः पश्यन्ति। स्था धातोः स्थाने तिष्ठ इति भवति, तिष्ठति तिष्ठतः तिष्ठन्ति। पिबति पिबतः पिबन्ति, जिघ्रति जिघ्रतः जिघ्रन्ति इत्यादि दृष्टम् अस्माभिः। चतुर्थगणं यदा वयं पश्यामः, दिवादिगणः, तत्र श्यन् विकरणः भवति, य इति श्रूयते। धातोः य इति योजयामः, नृत् य नृत्य। प्रत्यययोजनं तु समानरीत्या भवति। नृत्यति नृत्यतः नृत्यन्ति। आत्मनेपदी अस्ति चेत् युध् य युध्य, युध्यते युध्येते युध्यन्ते। अत्र द्रष्टव्यं चतुर्थगणे गुणः न भवति। मृष य मृष्य, मृष्यति मृष्यतः मृष्यन्ति अथवा मृष्यते मृष्येते मृष्यन्ते। चतुर्थगणे विशेषः कः? यदि धातुः वकारान्तः अस्ति तर्हि दीर्घः भवति उपधायां विद्यमानस्य वर्णस्य। यथा दिव् इत्यस्ति, दीव्यति दीव्यतः दीव्यन्ति। एवं सिव् अस्ति चेत् सीव्यति सीव्यतः सीव्यन्ति इत्यादि। धातोः आदेशः अपि भवति। यथा जन् धातोः जा इति आदेशः भवति। अतः जन् य इत्यस्ति चेत् जा य, जायते जायेते जायन्ते इति रूपाणि भवन्ति। इदानीम् अग्रे गत्वा षष्ठगणः तुदादिगणः, तत्र किं भवति इति पश्यामः। अत्र श इति विकरणः। प्रथमगणे शप् विकरणः भवति, षष्ठगणे तु श इति, तस्य रूपमपि अ इत्येव भवति। लिख् अ लिख, लिखति लिखतः लिखन्ति, लिखसि लिखथः लिखथ, लिखामि लिखावः लिखामः इति रूपाणि। बहूनाम् अयं प्रश्नः भवति। शप् इत्यत्र अपि अ इत्येव अस्ति, श इत्यत्र अपि अ इत्येव अस्ति। कथं भेदः इति? अयम् एव भेदः यत् षष्ठगणे अपि गुणः न भवति। That is the key difference between shap and sh. So there are many cases where just by adding one additional letter, Panini adds a switch, as it were. So the p in shap allows guna on the dhatu, whereas the sh of the sixth gana does not allow guna. So hypothetically, if the same likh dhatu were in the first gana, you still have likh a, but it would have become lekhati lekhatah lekhanti, because if there is a short e u r in the upadha, there will be guna in the first gana, whereas in the sixth gana we do not have the guna. So that is the purpose why Panini has segregated some of the dhatus into the sixth gana. He does not want them to follow the usual pattern of the first gana by getting guna. Instead, it will remain as it is. So likh a becomes likha and not lekha. Evameva mil dhatuh asti. Mil a mila. मिलति मिलतः मिलन्ति। वस्तुतः मिल इति धातुद्वयम् अस्ति। एकः धातुः परस्मैपदी अस्ति, अपरः उभयपदी अस्ति। They are used in similar senses. There are subtle differences in prayoga. One of them is sakarmaka, another is akarmaka. We can get to learn them by using. In general, if you are using in Parasmaipada usage, you can take either of the dhatus. Evam srij dhatuhu, srij a srija. So srijati srijatah srijanti. Sprish a sprisha, sprishati sprishatah sprishanti. Vish a visha, vishati vishatah vishanti. Atmanepadi dhatun yatra pashyamaha, lajj dhatuh asti, lajj a lajja, लज्जते, लज्जेते, लज्जन्ते, लज्जसे, लज्जेथे, लज्जध्वे, लज्जे, लज्जावहे, लज्जामहे। तुद अ तुद, तुद धातुः गणस्य प्रथम धातुः, उभयपदी अस्ति, अतः तुदति, तुदते। नुद अ नुद, नुदति, नुदते। क्षिप अ क्षिप, क्षिपति, क्षिपते। Meanings should be clear. Most of the dhatus that we are seeing are very popular ones. So likhati is to write, milati is to meet, srijati is to create, sprishati is to touch, vishati is to enter, lajjate is to shy away, tudati is to prick or to cause hurt, nudati is to push, kshipati is to throw. So these are the normal dhatus of the sixth gana, where there is no change in the dhatu. We just add the a vikarana and then add the pratyayas. Visheshaha kaha asti shasthagane iti chet, muchadi dhatunam nakaragamaha. When we were looking at the upadhis of the dhatus, that is, the attributes which are listed in the dhatu patha, we saw that there are 4 attributes which are common to all dhatus. So the gana, pada yogyata, karma yogyata and it yogyata. These are common attributes. In addition, for some of the dhatus, there are some additional tags which are added. These were also raised by some of the students in the during the class, etc. So those are called antarganas. That is, we have 10 classes. Within those classes, there are some subclasses. So subclass is basically one smaller category of the gana which follows a specific pattern. So there is one small subset of 8 dhatus in the Tudadi gana which are called muchadayaha. If we go to the ashtadhyayi.com, the dhatu patha, where you can use the filters. So under filters, we select the Tudadi gana, which is the 6th gana, and underneath we have something called antarganaha. So these antargana means a subclass within a gana. So muchadi is a subclass within the Tudadi gana. As you can see, there are only 8 dhatus. It's a very small subset with 8 dhatus. So you can see here it is Tudadi. Within the Tudadi, it is muchadi gana. If you go into any of those, you will see that 5th attribute here. Tudadihi, Ubhayapadi, Sakarmakaha, Anit and Muchadihi. So this additional attributes always refer to some special karya, some special operation which happens. So in this case, if a dhatu belongs to the subclass of this Muchadi, there is nakaragamaha. Tatra dhatoho nakaragamaha bhavati. Kutra bhavati iti ched upadhayam bhavati. That is, before the last letter of the dhatu. That is, after the swara. You have much. After the ukara, we add a nakara. So much becomes mun ch a. Asya nakarasya agre anuswara sandhihi parasavarna sandhihi bhavati. Vayam yada sandhinam adhyayanam kurmaha vastutaha sandhayaha adhiyamanaha santi. Agre hal sandhishu vayam pashyamaha. Padasya madhye nakaraha asti chet tasya anuswaraha bhavati tataha parasavarnaha. Parasavarnaha ityukte agre yaha vyanjana varnaha asti tasya vargasya panchama varnaha. So here there is chakara. So the fifth letter of the chakara, which is nyakara, will come. So this becomes muncha. So mucha doesn't become muchati. Instead it becomes munchati. Kimartham? Atra nakaragamaha kritaha. Evameva sich ityasti. Ayamapi dhatuhu muchadigane asti. Ataha nakaragamaha bhavati. Sich sin ch sincha sinchati sinchataha sinchanti. Vid vind atra dakaraha. Ataha nakare tasya nakaraha eva bhavati. Visheshaha nasti. Tavargasya antima varnaha nakaraha. Ataha vindati vindataha vindanti. Evam ye dhatavaha muchadigane santi tatra nakaragamaha bhavati iti visheshaha shashtaganasya. Dhatoho adeshaha api bhavati yatha prach ityasti. Atra prach ityasya sthane prich iti bhavati. Prichhati prichhataha prichanti. It is a special karya known technically as samprasarana, but basically the dhatu is getting modified. So prach is getting modified to prich. Prichhati prichhataha prichanti. Vrashch gets modified to vrishch. Vrishchati vrishchataha vrishchanti. Ish gets modified to ich. Ichhati ichhataha ichanti. Evam kechana vishesha dhatavaha shashtagane jnatavyaha. As for the meanings, munchati is to leave or to abandon. Sinchati is to sprinkle, to water. Vindati is to attain. Prichhati is to ask. Vrishchati is to cut. Ichhati is to want, to desire. Agre gacchamaha. Dashamaha ganaha churadi ganaha. Churadi gane aya iti bhavati. Vastutaha atra nich iti pratyayaha shap pratyayaha ubhayam militva aya iti yojaniyam bhavati dhatoho. So chint aya chintaya. Chintayati chintayataha chintayanti. Pid aya pidaya. Pidayati pidayataha pidayanti. Puj aya pujaya. Pujayati pujayataha pujayanti. Most of the dhatus in the 10th gana are ubhayapadis. Can be used in both Parasmaipada and Atmanepada. There are of course some exceptions which have only Atmanepada, which are rare. Majority are Ubhayapadis in the 10th gana. Dashamagane api gunaha bhavati. Okay, so first gana we have guna. Similarly in the 10th gana also there is guna. Hrasva igupadhasya. So if the letter in the upadha happens to be hrasva I U R, we do get guna. So the very popular example is chur itself. So chu, there is repha, before repha we have u, which is a short u. So you get guna chor, chorayati, chorayataha, chorayanti. Similarly, if we have chud, chodayati, chodayataha, chodayanti. Tul becomes tol, tolayati, tolayataha, tolayanti. Idamekam smartavyam maya atra sarve niyamaha nochyante. We are not taking all rules of the gana comprehensively. We are only dealing with the select dhatus, very popular ones, which should be able to give a generic idea of the gana. Right? So there will always be additional rules which we can learn as we progress. There is one more fine or a subtle point to be noted about the Churadi Gana. So we see some dhatus, say kathayati, ganayati, rachayati, where the first akara is short, and there are some, say tad, tadayati, kshal, kshalayati, chad, chadayati. It is long. So if we notice the dhatu, here the actual dhatu is not kath, it is katha, gana, racha. There is an akara. Normally we tend to just make it kath, gana. Most of the dhatus are halantas, but this akara is crucial, because if this akara is there at the end, then there is no dirgha. Okay, so any dhatu, if you look at the Churadi Gana dhatu, if it is halanta in its reduced form, remember the Aupadeshika form is different. If you look at the Aupadeshika form, sarvatra akaraha bhavati, kintu atra akaraha anunasikaha nasti. There is no Chandra Bindu here, whereas there is a Chandra Bindu here, that is Anunasika. When it is Anunasika akara, it is removed, and the reduced form of the dhatu, or the simplified form of the dhatu. Vayam janimaha dhatoho aupadeshikam rupam bhavati, shruyamana rupam bhavati. Tatra aupadeshika rupam रूपे अनुनासिकः अकारः अस्ति चेत् श्रूयमाणरूपे सः अकारः न भवति. So when we reduce it, that akara gets deleted and you have a halanta dhatu. So tad, kshal, chad. In such cases, dhatuhu halantah asti chet dirghah bhavati. So tad becomes tadayati, kshal becomes kshalayati, chad becomes chadayati. Whereas if the akara is not anunasika, it is retained, and in this case it will remain as hrasva, kathayati, ganayati, rachayati ityadi bhavati. Idamekam ekah laghu amshah, kintu bahunam atra avadhanam na bhavati, atah idam jnatum shakyate. Other than these, the any dhatu belonging to these four ganas, 1, 4, 6, 10, it is regular. Even the Vishesha Niyama we have seen, they are just slight modifications. Once we do the modification, joining the dhatu and vikarana part to the pratyaya part is very regular. Atayeva ete sarve dhatavaha samanya dhatavaha iti uchyante. Agre vayam vishesha dhatun pashyamaha yatra dhatoho pratyayasya yojane eva visheshaha bhavati te dhatavaha anya ganeshu bhavanti. Those actually these four ganas are the biggest ganas which cover more than 80% of the dhatus. But there are special dhatus. Those dhatus are found in the other ganas. So in the future videos we will see a few of those special dhatus. Those special dhatus we have to learn dhatu by dhatu mostly. Tesham ye Chittur pustake santi api cha anyepi bahu prasiddhaah ye dhatavaha tesham vishaye vayam agrima drishyamsheshu pashyamaha. Punah smarayami katham abhyasah karaniyah adau lakare pratyaya rupanam kanthasthikaranam kartavyam. Latlakaraha ityukte titahanti sithahatha mivahamaha एवमेव ते इते अन्ते से इथे द्वे एव हेमहे एतत्तु आदौ ज्ञातव्यम्। ततः रूपाणाम् अभ्यासः मौखिकाभ्यासः विशिष्य ये धातवः अस्माभिः अत्र निर्दिश्यन्ते सर्वेषामपि मुखतः सर्वाणि रूपाणि वक्तव्यानि। तदनन्तरं वाक्यरचनायाः अभ्यासः करणीयः। So in all exercises or worksheets we are including the dhatu abhyasas. So please practice those and practice using the dhatu rupas in sentences to constantly improve and keep them in memory. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्।